AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a modular and compact rotary knife assembly that can precisely cut pieces of film, foil, paper, non-woven, and most flexible materials. The unit has a cutting area with a maximum width of 3.5 inches and cutting rate of up to 1,000 cuts per minute. The low-profile design allows for compact applications. Unit can be easily mounted in any position for convenient operation through the mounting holes. A gear, pulley, or direct motor drive can be applied to the extended shaft. Double-edged shear cut blade makes 2 cuts per revolution and are ideal for cutting thin materials. Knife assembly requires low maintenance to operate. Custom units are available. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.